Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Facebook page not found or content unavailable errors. Check if the page is deleted or blocked and your reason. Switch networks. Try also switching between Wi-Fi and your mobile data to rule out some network issues, and make sure you're on a stable network. After that, disable any VPN if you're using them. Then head over to your app store, search for Facebook, and then see if there is an update button available. If there is, make sure to update the app to the latest version. After that, you're going to restart the app, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find Facebook, swipe it away, and then open it again. This will clear temporary glitches. After that, if none of that works, just go ahead to your Safari and then try a browser instead. Safety tip: do not use fake page links, they can be phishing. Quick fix: refresh the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.